Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use SamCart affiliate program detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using the SamCart affiliate program, first, visit the SamCart website. Locate the affiliate program section in the footer of the home page. Click on the link to access the affiliate program details. Review the program information to understand its benefits and commission structure. Next, sign up for the affiliate program by clicking on the Join Now button. Fill out the registration form with your personal information. Make sure to provide accurate details to avoid any issues with your account. Once you complete the registration, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, log into your SamCart affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available features. Explore the promotional materials provided, including banners and links. Choose the promotional assets that best suit your audience. Copy your unique affiliate link for sharing. Promote your affiliate link through your website, social media, or email campaigns. Track your performance using the analytics tools available in your dashboard. Monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions earned regularly. Reach out to the SamCart support team if you have any questions or need assistance. Stay updated with the program by checking for any changes or new promotions. Engage with the SamCart community to exchange tips and strategies for success. Utilize these resources to maximize your earnings in the affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.